You might think you know all the travel tricks out there, but these hacks, these are next level. Whether you're flying across the globe or just planning a weekend escape, these 20 mind-blowing tips will save you money, time, and a whole lot of stress. Let's dive in. Hidden city ticketing. Sites like Skiplagged reveal cheaper fares by booking flights where your destination is actually a layover. Just make sure you're not checking bags and don't tell the airline your plan. Change currency for cheaper flights. Some airlines charge different rates based on location. Switch the website to another country and compare prices. It's wild how much you can save. Google Flights Explore feature. Feeling spontaneous? Use the Explore tab to find cheap flights from your city to literally anywhere. Set your budget and go. Email hotels directly. Booking direct and politely asking for a corner room or a free upgrade actually works more often than you think. They want good reviews. Split your booking into one-way stays. Instead of round trips, book 2 one-way flights. It often unlocks more options and sometimes better prices. Use Google Street View before booking. Want to avoid a noisy alley or sketchy neighborhood? Virtually stroll around the area before you commit. Dryer sheet in your bag. Keeps your clothes smelling fresh even after long flights or humid destinations. Glasses case organizer. Store your earbuds, jewelry, or charging cables in a spare glasses case. Tidy and secure. Foldable duffel bag. Lightweight and small, but perfect when you need extra space coming home with souvenirs. Freeze your water bottle. TSA rules say no liquids, but frozen water is fair game. Just make sure it's solid when you get to the checkpoint. Always pick the left line at security. Most people naturally veer right. The left line is often faster. Mark your luggage as fragile. It gets handled with more care and often ends up on top, meaning it comes out first at baggage claim. Download offline maps. Google Maps lets you download entire cities so you can navigate without data. Google Translate camera mode. Hover over a sign or menu with your phone camera. Instant translation, total lifesaver. Fake a phone call to avoid scams. Feel uncomfortable or targeted by aggressive vendors? Pretend to be on a call, it works. Use ATMs, not exchange booths. Better exchange rates, fewer fees. Just double check what your bank charges first. Revolut, Wise, or Charles Schwab cards. These travel-friendly cards save you big on conversion fees and give great rates. Buy an eSIM before you fly. Apps like Airalo let you download a local data plan in minutes. No more SIM swapping or shady airport counters. Use an old phone as a travel tool. Load maps, translation apps, and keep it as a GPS or backup camera. Handy and risk-free. Act like it's your first time, even if it's not. Enthusiasm gets rewarded. Hotels, restaurants, and tour guides love guests who are curious and kind. You'd be surprised what freebies or upgrades that energy attracts. So, which hack blew your mind the most? Or did I miss one that you swear by? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart travel content, and I'll see you in the next adventure.